We're looking at homework from section 2.2. This is question number 9. Use a stem and leaf plot to display the data, which represents number of hours 24 nurses work per week. Describe any patterns. So we're going to start with an unordered stem and leaf plot here. And to do that, I need to locate my minimum and maximum values. I seem to have a minimum value here of 22 and a maximum of 59. So I'm going to need a stem and leaf plot with stems that range from 2 to 5. Now we're going to go through the 24 data values one at a time and split them into stem and leaf. The first data value is 40, so I put a 0 across from the 4 on the stem and leaf plot. Another 40, I put another 0. Notice that I'm leaving space but not putting commas. 46, I put a 6. 48, I put an 8. For 37, I put a 7 across from the 3. Then 40, I put another 0. 36, 54, 32, 36, 40, 35, 30, 22, 40, 36, 40, 36, 40, 33, 40, 32, 38, and 59. So that's the unordered stem and leaf plot. We'd like to build an ordered version because it helps us see things a little more clearly. To build an ordered version, we just take each row and put it in numerical order from least to greatest. So the ordered version would look like this. You can see that each row of the stem and leaf plot has been arranged from least to greatest. Now we can answer some questions. What best describes the data? Most nurses work over 40 hours per week. Does that look like this supports that? Well, over 40 hours a week would be 41 hours or more. There are only 4 leaves, 46, 48, 54, and 59, that are over 40 hours per week out of the 24. So by no means do most nurses work over 40 hours per week on this chart. Most nurses work under 40 hours per week. So that would be from 0 to 39. There are 12 data values that are from 0 to 39, but there are also 12 data values that are 40 and above. So that's not most, that's exactly half. Most nurses work between 40 and 50 hours. So between 40 and 50 hours, we have 10 data entries, all the values from 40 to 48, and that's not most. So most nurses work between 30 and 40 hours per week. We have the entire row for the 30s, which is 11 values, plus 8 values on the row for 40, because we're including the value 40. So that means there are 19 data values here that are between 30 and 40, which would be most of the data values. So we're going to go with choice D. Most nurses work between 30 and 40 hours per week. That's your answer.